On our next Laag Tabay adventure, manuroy ta sa probinsya sa Negros Oriental.
Laag Tabay goes to Dumaguete City!
Nga gitanyag nga best place to retire sa Pilipinas.
Tara, ubaniko ninyo og atong laagon ang City of Gentle People.
First stop, mo ang sikat nga painitan sa tiangge, og sayo pa lang sa buntag, abli na ang painitan stall sa publiko.
Painitan sa Dumaguete, we pride ourselves of our local delicacies. We can see that cheap and delicious meals especially for breakfast, puto, chocolate, and we have been known for the Painitan. And it's a decent place, it's a marketplace and limpyo, so people still go to it.
Og syempre, before starting our day, nisuway miugkaw silang puto maya nga perfect combination sa ilang hot chocolate. Swak pa jud sa budget. Hashtag, good food, good mood. And kung nangita kag lugar to chill on your day off, kauban ang imong friends, family, and with your love life, og nangita kag nindot nga ambience, umari ka og suroyan na ang Pantawan Rizal Boulevard. Matag hapon, adunay mag-jogging dinhi, mag-zumba, mag-tiktok, o guban pang outdoor activities.
Well, una sa tanan ng Pantawan, that is a public park. It's an open space that residents and visitors alike would want to go to because it's a wholesome public park, well lighted, where all the activities, most of the activities of young and old are there.
Pwede pud ka magpamassage dinhi, samtang ga-enjoy sa view sa boulevard. Hilig sad kag street food? Diligid ang ayan i-miss o i-try nimo ang sikat nga stalls dinhi, nga adunay na maligyag tempura, fish balls, dynamite lumpia o guban pa. Kung ganahan kag sosyal nga resto, napo diri sa duol ang food joints along Iskanyo Street.
Dumaguete, first, we are known to be a very peaceful city with the least crime rate compared to other places in the country and in the world. It's safe here, it's wholesome, people are very hospitable, there's a lot of activities going on.
So, what are you waiting for? File ng vacation leave and let Duma get you.
Nalingaw ra ba mo sa atong laag karon? Uban ni na pud mi sa among sunod nga laag ug atong i-explore ang Sikihor.